Welcome, today I'm showing you how to remove SIM pin from your SIM card into a Xiaomi Redmi Note 11s. First of all, open your settings, then scroll down and find password and security option. Go into here, find privacy option, tap it, and first option in the list will be SIM lock option. So if you got two SIM cards, choose your SIM card from the list, go into, and here first option, lock SIM card. For unlocking your SIM card, need to click on the switcher and enter your PIN and tap OK. And that's it. So easy, right? Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.